In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to outline a text here in Canva. Now, this is really easy to do and we can use Canva's text effects. So once you have your text on the canvas, just like this, we're going to click on that. We're going to come up to the top where it says effects just here. Then if we click on here, we can see over here on the left hand side that we have lots of styles. Now the one that we want to use is outline, and this enables an outline around the text. Now from here we can actually play around with different colours, and we can choose from the default colours just here as well. Let's put this back onto black, and if we click onto this little plus icon, we can actually add the hex code of a colour just here if you have a specific colour in mind, and we can also play around with this colour palette just here. Then once you've got the chosen colour that you want to use, we can play around with the thickness of this outline as well by increasing this bar up or down. Now let's go to round about there. Now one thing to note, and that is if you use one of these effects, you can only use one at a time. So if we wanted to use an outline with a shadow effect, we can see we can't actually do this, but there is a little workaround. What we want to do is come onto the text, then we want to duplicate the text as well. Then with this second text, we can go back onto effects. We can add a drop shadow like this. We can make that black or however we want. Let's make this a little bit better like that. Let's turn the blurriness all the way down and the transparency up a little bit so we've got this little drop shadow. Then what we want to do is put this behind the original text. In fact, we can't see that drop shadow, so we're going to make that a little bit bigger like that. In fact, let's turn that transparency down a little bit as well. Now let's go to position, move to back, and then as we can see, that drop shadow is behind this text. And now what we can do is highlight over the text, group together, and now this is just one outline text with a drop shadow. But nonetheless, that's just how easy it is to outline a text here in Canva. Now, if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it really helps out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, click right here and watch this playlist.